Did you know that you can create engaging faceless YouTube videos using the ChatGPT store? In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to leverage the power of AI to produce captivating content without ever showing your face. Whether you're camera shy or simply prefer anonymity, stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process for making compelling faceless videos using ChatGPT. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving world of YouTube content creation, faceless channels have become a popular and accessible option. These channels offer informative and engaging videos without requiring the creator to be on camera. While the lack of a physical presence might seem like a limitation, faceless channels can leverage other creative elements to build a loyal audience. These channels include only voiceover narration and well-chosen visuals to provide their educational and entertaining material. Here, we go into more detail about how you can create engaging content for your anonymous YouTube channel using the ChatGPT store. The OpenAI ChatGPT technology, a large language model trained on an enormous text and code dataset, is extended by the ChatGPT store. With the help of this training, ChatGPT can now produce text of a human caliber, translate between languages, create a variety of original content, and provide insightful answers to your queries. The store part of ChatGPT refers to a marketplace where developers can make and distribute task-specific versions of ChatGPT, also called generative pre-trained transformers. These customized GPTs, which are frequently referred to as applications, are accessible and usable for a cost. Choosing your video theme and specialty is the first step. A useful tool for this brainstorming process is ChatGPT. Give it a general beginning point, such as historical education content, and allow it to come up with a list of possible sub-niches or particular subjects. Subsequently, you can hone in on this list according to your preferences and investigate the possible search traffic and audience interaction for certain subjects. Once you've decided on a subject, ChatGPT can help with writing the script. Give it information about the main themes you want to address, the intended audience, and the duration of the video. After that, ChatGPT can produce a draft screenplay that includes transitions and other hooks to draw in viewers right away. Remember, this is just a starting point. You'll want to edit and refine the script to ensure it aligns with your voice and style. The features of ChatGPT go beyond simple scripting. Utilize it to investigate particular data or facts to increase the legitimacy of your film. For example, if your video delves into the life of a historical figure, you can request that ChatGPT create a chronology of significant occasions or a compilation of fascinating tales. Your script can then include this knowledge to make a more interesting and educational film. In a faceless video, the voiceover is essential since it tells the whole story. While ChatGPT cannot produce a voiceover for you directly, it can assist you in defining the voice type and tone that you want. For a historical documentary, do you want a serious, authoritative voice, or a lighter, conversational tone for a tech review? Providing ChatGPT with these details can help you narrow down your search for a voiceover artist who best suits your video's style. Despite the fact that you won't be on camera, captivating images are crucial to maintaining viewers' interest. You may find a plethora of resources, including music, videos, and photos, that are royalty-free to use in your videos. Although ChatGPT cannot directly access or edit these media assets, it can assist you in coming up with ideas for visual themes. Assume you are producing a film on the various kinds of clouds. In order to help you find royalty-free images, ChatGPT may recommend relevant phrases such as time-lapse clouds, cloud formations, or different cloud types. Once the necessary footage has been located, you can utilize simple video editing tools to produce an eye-catching sequence that goes well with your audio narration. After the video is finished, it's time to make it as discoverable as possible. When it comes to creating captivating titles and descriptions that appropriately convey the content of your video and persuade people to click, ChatGPT can be a very useful tool. You can also get popular search terms to include in your video's title, description, and tags by giving ChatGPT relevant keywords. By making your video more search engine friendly, you can reach a wider audience and improve the chance that someone will find it. Your channel doesn't have to be voiceless, even though it is faceless. Promote audience participation with surveys, comments, and Q&A sessions. ChatGPT can help you create interesting answers to comments and formulate questions that will make your audience think. Creating a community among viewers encourages loyalty and keeps them coming back for more. SEO optimization. Being easily found on YouTube is essential for any channel. These programs may evaluate your screenplay and recommend appropriate keywords for your video's title, description, and tags. By increasing the possibility that your movie will show up in search results, this optimization broadens the audience that can view it. Inspiration for visual content. The programs can be your brainstorming companion when it comes to conceptualizing your script, even though they cannot access or edit media assets directly. Consider that you are making a yoga position instructional video. Enter keywords that are related to the application. These questions can provide you ideas and point you in the direction of royalty-free images that go well with your audio narration. Content consistency and iteration. Building a devoted following requires sticking to a regular upload schedule. With the help of these apps, you can ensure that your audience is always getting new content by having them assess the content you already have and recommend themes or topics for more videos. They can also evaluate analytics related to viewer engagement and make recommendations about how to improve your strategy for upcoming videos, which will promote ongoing development of your content. Though the applications offer ideas and preliminary content, you are ultimately responsible for the creative spark. Make edits to the scripts, look up more information, and add your own narration to make sure your distinct voice and style come through. It's okay to stray from the recommendations provided by the apps. Your distinct viewpoint is what will make your channel stand out. Even though the programs are trained on enormous datasets, you should still perform your own investigation and double-check the facts they produce, particularly when it comes to subjects that demand scientific correctness. Be your own editor and make sure the material you give in your films is reliable, rather than relying solely on ideas from artificial intelligence. Admit using artificial intelligence techniques in your content development. Being open and honest with your audience helps them to respect the creative method you're using, but do not claim that stuff created by AI is entirely your own. Achieve a balance between utilizing AI and presenting your own original ideas. The ChatGPT store offers a peek of what content creation could look like in the future, when AI will enable anyone to create excellent content without having to go on camera. These programs improve research capacities, expedite workflows, and provide insightful recommendations for optimization and script writing. Still, nothing can truly replace the human touch. Your unique style, tone, and editing prowess are what will ultimately set your anonymous channel apart and connect with viewers. Although the ChatGPT store is an effective tool, it is only one component of the whole. Accept the cooperative dance between humans and machines to produce engaging, faceless YouTube videos that inspire and educate your audience. Through the use of the ChatGPT store's features, you can create a successful faceless channel that stands out in the constantly changing YouTube content creation market, while still retaining creative control and an ethical mindset. Recall that the secret to success is audience engagement, high-quality material, and consistency. Make the most of AI's capabilities to optimize your processes, but don't forget that a human touch is what will really set your channel apart. The ChatGPT store is an effective tool that can simplify and improve the process of creating faceless videos, but it's crucial to keep in mind that it's just a tool and won't make the work of research, script editing, and video editing disappear. Instead, you'll still need to put in time and effort to create high-quality content. By utilizing ChatGPT's brainstorming, script writing, research, and SEO optimization features, remember, consistency and quality are crucial. Consistently release interesting videos and actively interact with your viewers to establish your position in the rapidly growing world of YouTube content creation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology and innovation.